Good morning class. Today we will discuss about multiplication properties of rational number. That is, third property is associative property. Product of three rational numbers or more rational numbers does not depend on the manner or any order in which they are grouped. If consider three rational numbers a upon b, c upon d and e upon f, then a upon b into c upon d is equal into e upon f, means a upon b into c upon d, that is in bracket, into e upon f is equal to a upon b is equal to c upon d into e upon f, that is in brackets. For example, let us consider the rational number 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. In this expression, this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So we use the LHS part, means a upon b, c upon d in brackets into e upon f. So put the value here: 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6. That here 3 divided by 3 and 2 divided by 4 by 2. Then we will solve this expression: 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 2, that is become 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6. Then we will multiply this expression: 1 into 5 upon 2 into 6 is equal to 5 upon 12. Now we will take RHS part, this one, that is 2 upon 3 into in bracket 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 6. Then we will cut some numbers here: 2 upon 3 into 1 into 5 upon 4 into 2 is equal to 2 into 5 upon 3 into 8. And here 2 divided by 8 by 4. Then 1 into 5 upon 3 upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 12. Means this proof LHS is equal to RHS. So this property is proved by associative property. Now come to next property, that is property number 4, property of 1. The product of any rational number a upon b and 1 is the rational number itself. If we will multiply 1 into rational number, then we will get the same rational number, that is a upon b into 1 is equal to a upon b. Or we can say change the order of this multiplication, means 1 into a upon b is equal to a upon b. And this will write this 1 into a upon b, that is a upon b. 1 is called the multiplicative identity or identity element for multiplication of rational number. Now come to the next property, property number 5, property of 0. Every rational number when multiplied by 0 gives the product 0. If a upon b is a rational number multiplied by 0, then a divided by a upon 0 into 0 is equal to 0, or change the order of this multiplication, means 0 into a upon b is equal to 0. Now come to next property, that is multiplicative inverse. For every non-zero rational number a upon b, there exists a rational number b upon a, such that a upon b into b upon a is equal to 1, means a divided by a, b divided by b, and that becomes 1. Or change the order, b upon a into b, a upon b is equal to 1. So here we will cut these terms, a divided by a and divided by b to b. The rational number b upon a is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a upon b, and a upon b is the reciprocal of b upon a or multiplicative inverse. Here are some important notes. First note is 0 has no reciprocal, and second important point is reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. For example, reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. Check this reciprocal: 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 3. Then we will cut all values, then we will get the answer is 1. So we can say 5 upon 3 is reciprocal of 3 upon 5. And reciprocal of minus 7 upon 9 is 9 upon minus 7. Solve this. Minus 7 upon 9 into 9 upon minus 7. These terms all divide by equally and we will get the answer 1. Now last property is property 7, distributive property of multiplication over addition. We have discussed the last activity on this property. For any three rational number a upon b, c upon d, e upon f, we have a upon b into c upon d plus e upon f. Here a upon b multiplied by c upon d and a upon b multiplied by e upon f. Then this expression will become a upon b into c upon d plus a upon b into e upon f. For example, let us consider three rational number 5 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 7 upon 6. So using distributive property of multiplication, that is 5 upon 2 into in brackets 1 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6 bracket close, means 5 upon 2 will multiply by 1 upon 4 and 5 upon 2 multiplied by 7 upon 6. So 5 upon 2 into 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 2 into 7 upon 6. We will solve this expression. Then we will get the answer is 85 upon 24. Thank you.